This video looks at importing the revised geometry. So the previous video we imported the revised floor plan based on this Revit model, and we can see we've got the room numbers there, 47, 48 and 33. So those are the rooms that we want to import. So we would rewrite the Gbxml from the Revit model and then reintroduce only the 3 rooms that have changed. There is no automated process for this at the moment, so you've got to be vigilant and note down the room numbers that are changing when you bring them into the software. So back into MEP Works, what we would now do is pick up the revised Gbxml file. So we select File, Gbxml Rooms, and go and source the revised file. So we select the revised file and open that up. That introduces all of the rooms, but then what we do, we deselect all of the rooms because we don't want to import all of them. We only want to select those 3 rooms, 33, 47 and 48. So we select none and deselect them, and then what we do, we go along the list and we find those rooms that have changed. So there we can see 47, 48 and further up the list room number 33. Second open plan. We then import, and that then imports those spaces. So we're not bringing in the entire building model, we're only bringing in the rooms that have changed. So the first process is, as for the previous video, change the floor plan, delete the rooms that have changed, then reintroduce the revised Gbxml geometry. You could have actually perhaps copied off 32 as previously to 47 and then redefine these spaces. So it's a management exercise. You might spend more time finding which rooms have changed and which haven't, as opposed to just deleting them and then reintroducing them. And of course, if there's no Gbxml, you would have no choice but to redefine the rooms.